So I've just got to Prionia. My plan is to walk down to Litohoro, and I managed to hitchhike with this lovely man from Switzerland. And now it's time to fill my water up from the spring. And this is Ant's solo adventure, because we've done an awful lot of hiking. This is last day, and Lucy would like not to hike anymore for a while. So this is my last adventure on a mountain, and yeah, let's see if I survive, because if I don't, no one else is going to fucking know. Anyway, take care. Hey, you're off that way. But yeah, thank you again. What a lovely guy. I hope we saw that. He's just getting ready. But yeah, so far hitchhiking, so it's not necessarily the easiest thing to do. When we got attacked by dogs and we were scared to move because we'd probably die, we a Greek man picked us up who were lovely. Then when we first came up to Prionia, it was a German man who we saw several times in so he was a super nice man. He got to refuge like an hour before us, so we spoke to him then as well. And over the past couple of days since we got back down to Litohoro, we also saw him at like a cafe and everything, and it was just super duper nice to like wave, and like each time we saw each other, like either party, we were just really happy, because it's just nice knowing someone, and you know, we just made that brief acquaintance and it was nice. Same with some shopkeepers and everything as well like that, and I think it's little things like that why it's worth staying in a place for a slightly longer time, you know, like travelling opposed to backpacking, because you find your favourite spots, your coffee things. Every time we walk down now, there was this dude at Elton, every time we walk past we ask each other how we are, and it's just little things like that that make you appreciate it. And then on the way back down, this Russian dude picked us up, and again, super nice, he was with his missus, and when he left, he couldn't speak much English, but when he left, he went, "From Russia with love." Anyway, I need to hike as quick as I can, and as safe as I can, and I'm probably going to die, so it's just short of 1:30, so see how long, just wanted to document that, and that way we can see how long it actually takes me to get back. I'm not trying to necessarily rush, but I've got no signal on this mountain, and obviously I've left Lucy by herself, therefore I need to get back. Yeah, I just started jogging down here. It's down there, it's nice. I figured like leaping off balls on my feet would do less damage to my joints. And my bottle of water's just flown out of my bag all the way downhill. And I think it's unlikely I'm going to be able to pick it up. So now I've got this entire journey with one bottle of water. Oh shit. It wouldn't be my adventure if I didn't have a silly mishap. So I've just come from there. There's a sign saying monasteries that way, and there's also a path down there, but I've just been down there and I'm honestly not really sure. So this is the first part where I ain't a fucking clue where I'm going. I decided to leave my map at home because I thought it was just a single stretch. I think it's the way this monastery is, but only problem if it isn't, then I might potentially walk a couple of hours there and back the wrong way. Hopefully that won't happen, but Shogunai, it is what it is. So I'm having my first break. About 40 minutes in. I was going to do it every hour, but I can fill up my water with this. There's a sign that says this is specifically the drinking water stream, so I'm going to drink some water and then fill it back up. And also I got chocolate spread sandwiches, just because it doesn't matter if they get warm. And also, rather than having snacks to keep my energy levels up, sugar and chocolate spread should give me the boost I need periodically. So, yeah, I think we're good. Look at this though. No matter where you are, bloody beautiful. I have had one spider in my face, so they were like the size of a dot, so it didn't really bother me. If they were bigger though, I think I'd have thrown myself off a cliff. Oh, I've got about 7 sandwiches, but I'm just gonna have one each time I break, and probably a couple of hours in where I start to get fatigued and stuff. Then I'll pig out a little more to keep going. See, I need to get back as soon as I can, but I could spend an hour just sitting here. But I do actually need to go back as quick as I can, otherwise I might not make it before dark. And obviously it's more treacherous when it's dark, so yeah, peace out. So I've stumbled across what is called a holy cave. I had no idea this was here. I'm going down steep steps, it says not to lean on railings, it's loose. But let's take a look. Wow. Apparently, that's a holy spring. Now, I'm gonna take a look. Ready, set, go. With it being a holy spring, I think we should drink some holy water. Oh, this is very sticky. Well, that might be some of the tastiest water I've ever had. So I've just passed a sign that says Litohoro, just 5 kilometers away. So I don't think that's too far, but it obviously depends how much of my hike's up and how much of my hike's down. Whew. I'm getting a little tired, so it's just gone 3 o'clock. I've been doing it for an hour and a half. I'm just gone uphill quite a lot, so my arms and my calves are hurting a little bit. And I just almost twisted my ankle because I'm not looking, which is silly really, but... And so I've got a dog that wants a sandwich. Come on. Wish I could get down there that fast. Anyway, what I was going to say, let me turn the music down. So this is my second break. I'm not like, I know people are into different things. Some people might hate this. I'm not trying to be pretentious or preaching or out like that. But this really makes you... Oh wait, I've got a friend. I think he wants some of that sandwich. Oh. I'm at the middle of a mountain, what the fuck is going on? But yeah, it just makes you think about life and what you do with it. I know it's not as easy as just coming out and living, but yeah. What I'm trying to say is, I know it's not as easy, although you can certainly do it a lot cheaper than you think. You don't have to be rich, that's for sure. But just look, man. It's beautiful. So I'm not sure. Whoa! This is an actual path. But it's path enough to get to the stream. This is where I came last time. Oh. I think I have hurt my ankle a little bit. Which you actually got to see when I slipped when I was talking to you. And so I need to be careful. Here we are. Ooh. Walked through a massive spider web, I think I stood on a frog. Wonderful. Yeah, you've already seen video of me filling it up, so I'm gonna have a drink, fill up again and then head back. It shouldn't be too long, you know. Thank you for taking part of a fat man's plan. So I think this will be my last break. I feel certain I'm not that far away now. But about half an hour, so it's past 4 o'clock. And for some reason about a quarter of an hour or half an hour ago. I literally just went from super paced, motivated, to like all of a sudden flagging to shit. Like, my movements are sluggish, I feel tired, but I know it's just a wall. And I'm gonna surpass my limits, plus ultra. And I think I can probably get back by 5, I hope. And I just got no mobile signal, that's all, so I can't let anyone know in advance. Right, I'm eating my sandwiches, toodaloo. And this is the start of the E4 trail. So I have made it in. Whoa. I wonder if Lucy's come up to meet me. So it's 10 to 5. I was speaking to this Estonian couple I saw on top of cliff, and hello, hello, enjoy, and yeah, so my predictions making it back for 5 were quite accurate, and that includes, so what did we do? We potentially got lost, but luckily we didn't, so we didn't have to backtrack. We found a holy cave, we drank some holy water, I can feel it, and then we had a couple of breaks to stop and look at the view, and eat and replenish, and then we saw some dogs, then I saw the Estonian couple when they were on the verge of dying, and now finally made it, pretty much. Maybe when I get to the bottom it will be 5 actually, although I swear it's just around here. And yeah, so if I started at, I got in a car hitchhiking about 1, I started trail at about 1:30, so it's took me 3.5 hours, which isn't bad to be fair. It definitely took longer going opposite way, majority were downhill. The part where I was flagging were definitely the hardest, and now we try and get in touch with Lucy. Thank you for coming on a fat man's journey, and yeah, goodbye.